Over the last few months, we've all heard the same narrative. AI is coming for jobs. But there is a very different pattern I'm seeing across CXOs and leadership teams. Organizations increasingly want to hire and reward people who can work with AI and not fight AI. And that is exactly where the narrative needs to shift. Take software engineering, for example. Every time an AI coding tool improves, social media starts predicting the death of software engineering. But here is the reality. This disruption did not happen overnight. Large organizations like JP Morgan identified software engineering as one of the early AI transformation opportunities almost 2 to 3 years back. The industry knew this was coming. But here is the bigger insight. Just because a role changes because of AI does not mean the function loses its strategic importance. In fact, many functions are becoming even more important in the age of AI. Take IT function and legacy platform modernization, for example. For decades, organizations wanted to modernize old systems running on mainframes. But the cost, complexity, and dependency risks were massive. For the first time, AI is making parts of that modernization realistically achievable at scale. So the value of technology function did not reduce. Its strategic importance actually increased. And this is not limited to technology teams. McKinsey's Status of AI report also points to AI-led impact across functions like marketing and sales, product or service development, strategy and corporate finance, service operations, and supply chain. So these are not necessarily roles that are next to go. They are roles and functions that are next to be deeply reshaped. And that distinction is important. So if you're a professional working in any of these areas, the real question is not, will AI replace my role? The better question is, how do I use AI to improve, automate, or redesign parts of my work? Because the moment you start thinking like that, you send 3 powerful signals to your organization. 1, you understand where the business is heading. 2, you're willing to adapt. And 3, you're willing to help the organization move forward. These are exactly the kind of people leaders bet on during transformation. Now, there is also an important nuance here. The expectation from AI is not identical across career levels. For many young professionals, the immediate expectation may be AI fluency, which is using AI tools better, improving productivity, automating repetitive work, and becoming faster and sharper in execution. But for functional leaders, the expectation increasingly shifts towards prioritizing the right use cases, understanding governance, security guardrails, data readiness, redesigning workflows, and driving change adoption across teams. In short, everyone needs to become AI relevant. But AI relevance will look different at different career levels. What should you do then, starting today? 3 things. First, be part of AI upskilling initiatives inside your organization. Do not treat them as optional. Second, participate in AI-led transformation initiatives wherever possible. As a functional expert, as a workflow owner, as a product person, or simply as someone who's willing to learn. There's no faster way to understand AI than by working on real problems. And third, invest time in understanding how your role and your entire function may evolve in the age of AI. Because the professionals who thrive over the next few years will not necessarily be the people who know the most AI tools. It will be the people who understand how work itself is changing. I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next video.